Hello everybody, welcome to Thompson Leisure TLL Rent. My name's Steph and I'm going to give you a quick introduction to our campervan and motorhome rental as to what's included. Okay, so first of all our vehicles are going to come with a kitchen kit. That will include all your plates, cups, cutlery, whistling kettle, mattress protectors for all the beds, electric hookup cable with a UK plug adapter. You'll also get a water hose, a tyre inflation kit. Within the van, you'll find a basic first aid kit, high-vis, warning triangle, fire blanket, as well as a fire extinguisher that will be bolted to the vehicle somewhere. You'll also find one of these. This is our Thompson Leisure document folder. In here, you'll find a VE103 form, which is a green form. It's for use in European travel and it must not be removed from the vehicle, okay? Also within this folder, you are going to find a sheet that will look like this. This is all your emergency contact numbers if you have any issues with the vehicle. You'll also find an accident report form. Now, we hope that you'll never ever need to use this, but in the unlikely event that you do, just fill it in as much as you can. Just gives us some information when it comes to insurance or anything like that. Also within the vehicle, on the back of a cupboard door, now it will vary from van to van, you will find some important information. So again, make yourself familiar with it, have a quick read of it. And if you have any questions, you can give us a call. So on the windscreen of all our vehicles, you're going to find a small sticker and that will have some important information about the vehicle, like your registration, your height, your width, your length and your weight. Okay, so all our vehicles are drivable on a standard UK license, so there shouldn't be any issues there. There's also going to be a second sticker with some very important information. Again, before you drive off, take a quick look at that, make sure you've adhered to everything that's on it before you actually move the vehicle. Also on the windscreen, you're going to find an e-flow tag. This is for the toll roads down in the south of Ireland. So again, please don't remove the e-flow tag. It is registered to that vehicle. It will not work on anything else. We do have two different options when it comes to e-flow pricing for Ireland. So if you want, you can give us a call and we can discuss that with you over the phone or on day of pickup. Okay, so skylights in the rear of the van and the windows, please ensure that these are shut before driving off. You cannot drive with these off. The wind will catch them. They will be ripped from the vehicle, okay? So again, that will be on the sticker on the window just as a little extra measure for safety. Any 3-pin electrical plug sockets you find within this van, they will not work off your leisure battery. You must be hooked up to the electric, okay? So if you do plug something in, like a hairdryer, your straighteners, and it's not working, it's because you're not hooked up, okay? They do require the standard electric. All our vehicles are fitted with trackers. So this will only ever be used to identify your location in the event of any issues or breakdowns, so that we can assist the breakdown or recovery services should they be required, okay? We're not interested where you go in Ireland. It is just purely for that reason that we have the trackers on the vehicles. So as I said earlier, within the rear of the vehicle, you will find this document folder, okay? So please make yourself familiar with it and find it. Prior to return, we do ask for health and safety reasons that you empty the toilet cassette for us. We know it's not a nice job. I did it once. I'll not be doing it again. It's not pleasant, but it is very, very important that you do that for us. You will find toilet chemical within the vehicle. We'll ensure that it's there before you leave the site. So whenever you are emptying your cassette, please wash the cassette out afterwards. Put some water back into the cassette along with some toilet chemical and just leave that slushing around in the bottom. Also, if you do not empty the toilet cassette, there is a standard set fee of £200 for us to do it, okay? So it's very, very important that you clean it out for us. We would also ask you to empty the wastewater tank as well. It just makes life a little bit easier for us whenever we're prepping the vehicles for the next customer. All our vehicles are diesel fuel only, okay? We'll give you a full tank of diesel, water, and we'll also give you 2 full tanks of gas. So on return, the only thing you have to do is bring it back full of diesel. There are fuel stations within 5-mile radius of our site here in Marilyn. It's a good idea probably just to Google whatever way you're coming back in to find the closest station. This will help you avoid any additional refueling charges. Airport locations will also have fuel on site, and the exception there will be Belfast City George Best Airport. The closest one there will be just up the road at Sydenham at the big Tesco's, and then you can just loop back round and into the airport. All our vehicles will have a key ring attached to them, and on that key ring you will find the vehicle registration, and on the back of it you will find a QR code. That QR code can be scanned and it will take you straight to the rental handover videos. So if you do have any queries regarding anything in the back end of the van, you can go back and rewatch me taking you around your vehicle. Any questions on day of pickup, please don't be afraid to ask. There's nothing stupid. There are no stupid questions. We've all been there if you've not done this before. So please ask us anything you need and we will certainly help you before you leave site. During the day, we're always at the end of the phone as well. If you need anything, you can get us at the office here. So that's the boring but important part done. Now let's get to the fun part and we'll take a look at your rental vehicles. Enjoy your trip.